Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing this Aphmau Meemeow. It's called Meemeows, so yeah. So let's just get started. So I'm pretty sure I just gotta slide. I magically pulled a knife. I don't know how to do this. I got it! Okay, I just gotta peel the tape now. We're just going to try side. It's taking forever to take this tape off. Got it. I got it. I got it. I did it. This. Okay, I think we could get one of these two thingies up here. I'm just gonna show you guys over here. I think we could get one of these two. So I don't know. I don't know if it's more, but oh my god, I see it. I see it. Oh my god, it's so small and cute. I don't know what it's called, but it looks like a waffle with ice cream on top. But I'm gonna pull this thing out. Maybe it has its name on it because what's called. Because I don't know what it's called. Okay, so it got the ice cream cat. It looks like a waffle on the bottom over here, so that's why I guess it was a waffle cat with ice cream on top. But look how cute it is! Look how the little eyes sparkle, and then the little tail and the ice cream on top. It'll be perfect. And yeah, that's kind of it. I know it was a very short video, but yeah. So bye guys. See you in the next video, hopefully.